Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. Today in this video I will show you some process to fix Google Play Store isn't responding problem. Guys, you can see, I will try to install app. But it not install. After a few times, it show a message, Google Play Store isn't responding. If you are faced with such a problem, then how to solve it? To fix this problem, go to your phone settings. Now go to apps or app management or app manager according to your device. And find out Google Play Store. After finding, click on Play Store. After that uninstall app update. And clear data from the storage. No data will be deleted from the phone through the storage clear. Now go back. And click on Google Play Service. Here also clear cache and clear data from the storage. Here also no data will be deleted from the phone through the storage clear. After following the step, go to Play Store. Click on Account Avatar. Go to Settings. Click on About. And update the Play Store version. When Play Store will update, it may show or again may not show. When the Play Store is updated, you will understand that the interpage of the Play Store will be changed from before. After updating, try to install the app. Friends, you can see that the interface has changed after getting the update. So, if you don't see the update while updating the Play Store, you will have to wait some time. When update will complete, it will notify. Hopefully your problem will fix. Guys, there are several other reasons for the problem. If you're not solved, then you can follow my others video. Guys, let me comment, problem solved or not. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.